At Hitachi Global Social Innovation Business, incubation doesn't just mean technology. It means providing the catalyst for new businesses that are addressing global challenges. By solving the world's business problems, our team is solving some of the world's biggest problems. We're using everything we have to rewrite the rules of innovation. We're taking a new approach to getting it done, and we're beating the startups at their own game. Because we have what they don't: access to customers, advanced capabilities, R&D, capital, and global scale. It all starts with a customer-centric approach. Their needs are the next big ideas for current and future markets. Their demands inspire disruptive and ingenious changes for how we look at traditional business models today. What if we could enable the global transition to electric vehicles? Or if we could improve quality and sustainability in agriculture? What if we could inspire the next? That next revolutionary idea is happening right now at Hitachi Global Social Innovation Business. Our team is creating big business ideas that scale. It's called co-creation. We use our industry expertise and partnerships to lead the next wave of growth and unlock additional opportunities within all of Hitachi. From mobility to manufacturing, energy to smart farming, and even outcome-based insurance, we're using new technologies to solve existing and emerging problems. And throughout all of this, our team is keeping our pioneering spirit at heart and an eye on the future by delivering societal, environmental, and economic value to make a true difference. We're powering ideas for good for our customers and partners, and for all of Hitachi. Learn how the GSIB team is creating new business growth opportunities for a better future.